Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix not connecting to Wi-Fi on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting you will see first option is connection. Click on connection. After click on connection, click on Wi-Fi and click on this icon, and if you want to fix this problem, click on forget and again click on your device and you will see enter your password. After enter your Wi-Fi password, you will see click on connect. You will see your Wi-Fi is connect. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go back to home screen and open quick settings panel. So just swipe down and click on this power icon. After click on this power icon, click on restart and just click and hold, and again click on restart. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, just go to app library and click on settings app. Scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on reset and click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth setting. Click on reset setting, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi not connecting on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.